What's up, my viewers and subscribers? In today's video I'm going to show you how I make my Ribena juice using only two ingredients: my sugar and my ginger. I already go ahead and wash my Ribena and remove the stem. I also wash my ginger and peel it. Then I grated it. So I have a pot of water over here. I'm going right over there to put my ginger in it. So my water is almost at the boiling point, so I'm gonna put my ginger in and leave it to boil for just 5 minutes. Yeah, I want that ginger to be infused in the water, release that earthy taste in the water before I put in my Ribena. But this is the thing, guys, as soon as this boil up, I'm going to turn the stove off and then put my Ribena in. I'm not going to boil my Ribena or anything. As soon as the water boil up, that's what I'm gonna do. So my water is ready. Look at that. Boiling, boiling, boiling. Yep, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just turn the stove off now and put in the Ribena. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna switch that off. Yep, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put in my Ribena. The next thing, again, you don't want too much water. You just want enough water just to cover your Ribena. You don't want your juice too weak. So when you use too much water, it will make your juice weak. So just use enough just to cover it. So I'm gonna leave this now till overnight. Yes, so first thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to strain it off and deal with it. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this to soak and, to take it process, not rushing it. After leaving my Ribena to sit overnight, I'm going to just use my hand now to squeeze the fruit to get all of that juice from the fruit. Yeah, guys, when my father was alive, he used to call these fruits the God sent fruit, and I couldn't understand why, but now I know why. It has a lot of health benefit, and it has 3 times the amount of vitamin C than an orange. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead now and squash out these fruits, guys. So I'm gonna squash these fruits out. So this is it, guys, after it has been soaked overnight. See how it look? Squash this. And I'm gonna toss that away. So I'm gonna proceed to strain my fruit now, my fruit juice. So guys, you can use a fork or a spoon to squash your fruit. Whatever one you are comfortable with, you can go ahead and use it. I must tell you though, the juice is a bit stainy, but it's nothing to worry about. The stain does not linger on in your mouth. So after we use our strainer and strain, guys, you don't know, we use our cloth strainer and give it a nice little strain as well. Yep, so we get our juice nice and refined. Yeah, I'm gonna use some sugar. I'm not gonna use any lemon. Yeah, in my opinion, I don't think I want the lemon in there. I don't think it needs the lemon, but if you want to use lemon, you can go ahead and use it. To each his own. Just make your Ribena juice, use lemon, and then use the sugar alone, and you will see which one you prefer. Got that richness. You know what bad too, guys? Ribena and sorrel. Yeah, I always make Ribena and sorrel. I need to make that juice for you guys to see how I made my Ribena and sorrel. How I make my Ribena and sorrel juice. Yeah. So we are just sweetening our Ribena. I don't know if Ribena is all year round, you know, guys, because I always get Ribena from my mother-in-law. Yeah, she always sending Ribena come for me all year round. I notice though when we have a lot of rainfall, that's when the tree is very fruitful. But I don't know if it's there all year round because I'm always getting it all year round. Yeah. Big up to my mother-in-law for that. I don't have to buy Ribena. She have a big tree. So she's my supplier. Yeah, man.